there's a myth that retirement is like the last 10 years of your life. आमतौर से लोग जल्दी रिटायर कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट इंडिया में हम देख रहे हैं यू नो देयर इज स्ट्रेस, पीपल डोंट वांट टू वर्क अ फुल फ्लेज लाइफ, तो 55 साल पे रिटायर कर रहे हैं. तो आम पीपल आर स्पेंडिंग 30 out of 80-90 years of their life in retirement.
In life, you don't really retire from something, but you refire into something, right? So essentially, I mean, while all of us would want to imagine a situation, हम सोचना चाहते हैं कि भाई एक दिन ऐसे होगा कि हम जो है जीरो काम करेंगे और बीच में बैठे रहेंगे और बियर पियेंगे. ये कई लोगों की मतलब कल्पना ही होती है. But the reality is that you need to think about what after that. There are two broad issues that I think, you know, typically comes to people's mind. One is, of course, कि भाई आपके पास do you have enough to be able to live through this so-called retired life, right? And as you know equally well that there is improving mortality, right? I mean, people are now living well into their 80s, right? I'm fortunate to have parents who are well into their 80s, touch wood. They are in good health, and with improving medical conditions, ये होने वाला है. So which means that all of us will be blessed with fairly long life, most of us, right? Because, you know, by and large, medical conditions and medical facilities are improving. So we need to think about whether there is enough to be able to live for as much or beyond the amount of time that you've really worked towards creating a corpus. So ek to ye, this is one is the financial, element to this. The second element, which I think doesn't get spoken about, इतना ज़्यादा इसके बारे में बात नहीं होता है, but the reality is that जब आप काम करते हैं, you're identified many a times by what you do and where you work and what is the kind of work that you do. Once you have given that up, when you choose to say, I want to, put an end to this and I want to move into the next phase of my life where I will do nothing, there is a khalipan which sets in. After 6 months you may enjoy traveling the world, maybe, going to Goa and staying there for 3 months in a shack and, spending time there. But what after that? I think ये जो खालीपन है, and I have seen this, play out in
loneliness सबसे बड़ा pandemic.
बिल्कुल. और ये इसकी जो implication on health है, right? And I have seen this, and this is something that I've always wondered. Why is it that by and large, जो आप self-employed category के जो लोग होते हैं, जो गद्दी में बैठते हैं, for instance, right? दुकान है या गद्दी में बैठते हैं या business है, उसके अंदर ऑफिस में बैठते हैं, you will see that most of the patriarchs are well into their 70s and are very, very active. So I think there is a very strong correlation between staying gainfully occupied and your health. And this is something that I've seen in a number of, salaried individuals who at the age of 60 say, listen, I have not really planned for what I will do post my retirement. And you see that in a couple of years, their health starts taking a downturn.
बहुत लोगों को retirement ये शब्द से ही anxiety होती है. It is a negative word for people. और वो इसलिए होता होगा शायद कि जब उन लोग अपने बिरादरी में, अपने फैमिली में लोगों को देखते हैं जो रिटायर हुए, उनको बस यही दिखता है कि यार ब्लड प्रेशर का प्रॉब्लम है, कोई किसी को डायबिटीज है, कोई काम नहीं है, कोई मतलब रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे रहा जितना उनके करियर में था, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. ये सारे एंजाइटीज होते हैं और दे कांट सी दैट फार. बट मेनी पीपल, स्पेशली यंग जनरेशन में, तो वो जल्दी भी रिटायर करना चाहते हैं. तो पहला इसमें इंसाइट ये था कि पीपल व्हेन दे थिंक अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग, जब निवेश करने की सोचते हैं, तो दे ओनली डू इट फॉर हैप्पी गोल्स. तो एक बहुत बड़ा रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि जब आप रिटायरमेंट के बारे में सोचो, नंबर छोड़ो, पहले उसको आप हैप्पी कैसे बनाओगे ये सोचना है.
पहले क्या होता था, यूज्ड टू, जैसे आप बोल रहे थे, अक्ल आती थी 30 तक, 30 to 60 आप काम करके थोड़ा पैसा कमाते थे, 60 से 90 आप रिटायर होते थे. नाउ लेट्स अज्यूम कि आपने पैसे कमा लिए 40 तक. नाउ यू वुड हैव टू अर्न इनफ मनी टिल 40 टू सस्टेन यू द नेक्स्ट 50 years. Now there's a lot of moving parts. एक आपको एक brilliant idea आना चाहिए. वो brilliant idea has to be invested. It has to give you compounding returns. Your medicals have to be, your health has to be in great shape. It all depends on how do you.
You must become a CEO.
By 40, yes. There are a lot of people
40 or 50 जो भी है.
Yes. So you need
या तो आपकी इनकम बहुत बढ़े.
आपकी इनकम बहुत,
या फिर
आपकी इनहेरिटेंस मिली हो, आपको पेरेंट्स ने आपको दी. But that's
सबके साथ ऐसा
नहीं होता.
अधिकतर लोगों के साथ
नहीं होता. तो I think you have to go the tried and tested. You have to make mistakes, learn from them. make more mistakes, learn from them till you finally realize that this is the right way of doing it. Uske liye you have to do your work, earn your work, build up a retirement corpus, build up a passive income, and over a period of time, and ensure that your health is taken care of, so that by the till you retire and till you stay in this world, I mean, money is enough to take care of you.